Savannah from Kakojan MV School, Jorhat, Assam. Our team discovered in our community one problem. The problem is the increasing rate of mosquitoes. It threatens the lives of people as well as animals. Children can't study well. People can't do their duties properly. Even people can't take a good sleep. So, as a solution, our team has prepared an eco-friendly mosquito repellent. Here we use the natural ingredients like wood powder, bora rice, neem leaves, basil, curry leaves, garlic peels, and onion skins. These leaves have strong aroma that the mosquitoes and other insects dislike. We use bora rice as the natural adhesive. We use wood powder as the base material. The best part is that our solution is easily affordable because all the things are available in our surroundings.